Mama wakwaba wafreme ajwa searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel mia notification bell no so for more news. Ebusuafo Honorable Isaac Apel Jesse eye MC Dima New Drabian South na ode ensem bi atodwa o kire se na danfo bi oye businessman or approach no e ka kire ne se oye adwuma e wo Abossey e wo Accra omoton spare part ho niama wa ka kire ne se NPP for anye careful no mo de eye omo ye kokwasa sa na se NDC for ebe fa power na enya de a omo de beto omo ende anase wo china o kire se e wom se economy ni mu ayedin a baby ayedin but Abossey for a omo ye business men omo ho omo nsem obi e wo kura bi wo kire se NPP NDC beba de ka NPP entina so yenti se ne nsem no esi ekoy
opit ye kasa ebebo ye so ebe ye jijiji na nyame pangu se ye betra ho na yama Ghana fo gidi a omudi a che ye mu na omama ye overwhelming support from 2016 over 1 million votes. Fast forward to 2020 over 500,000 votes. Nese ye hunti yentimi ahwe niema yie niema tumi no slip through our hands. Ghanaians will never and ever forgive us. Of a many businessman be di nkomo na oka kire me say o free Abossey Okai bani na se ya ahwe yie na ye dane tumi no de hye NDC fo nsa omo fa ncheyen obfa oka sa na mabobrim but it looks as if say ase ye refi ye ho ase ye didi ami bi afedie de besi BNC NPP for ni etimi ema ye refi ye ho sa never again se pa se ye betra ho
no mu nim de ehya ase no mu nim de ehya Ameri na se afeya papa boachi agya akonom ko mu say yenkope kwan a yedi betwam a yesi betwam ne yenhwe enti mahama de da bia ne ntokwa a wokono eye faketo abeje kese Temaport also per 7 billion and then we betwam a ubetia more than 27 million sorry 27 billion 27 billion. You go for 7 billion, and if you want to cancel the deal, we have to pay 27 billion. And then Temaport, what the Niama for what I want to mean, Ghana for you if he say, will be the cost shares, some deal, no, I can sign the and I am our port and operators who they say. Adiana Sabi, President Kufuor Beton, ye one sign. Utie. Ya papa tamere se ba ye one sign because ya den na wo ka kire me say wo be fa me Temaport na wo wi a enipa kura be ya adwuma wo ho no wo na wo ko fa omodi omo aba meaning say me Ghana fo ya adwuma wo port bebre be ba betena fie na ye nim sika sabe ye nim aduro sabe ye nim dia ye de ye John Dramani Mahama nko a wono nko ba ye wo tumi kwaji tum na say na ya be se Ghana fo mo de mo nko so na mo nge e na kufu adwa mo men mo ayede mo be brebia se Mahama ba adia from Kufuor no time ye maintaining no at 30% no John Dramani Mahama sign no from 30% we were only getting 15%. 15%. 15%. Sister Linda, when I finish, I will give you a call. Why? Number now, me dema on a political zone number now, but I wanted you to send a message on it. Now come to me the personal number amount. Why? Don't worry. Thank you too. And then Temaport who yi ka ne boy den. Ghana for kura binimu kura ni mu set Temaport no sebe Mahama e de akogye awowa enti yen control hobio obi nim wo betna so na wo pese wo bie Ghana fo ani no motia no mo aba ejimi fo e na what as Kufuor adodan Godfrey Damia Godfrey Dami tie ya muhuni ya. Sa 15% no. Wa fight ya mende ya je back 30%. Ye ni ska ye di betua enti ese papa no odaswa MLK Ghana. Such a man gets you such deals. Oh dear fan say NPP for crap on their car, their IMF kind also so and then I can from home. What dear fan say their NPP for car, you know, what for the IMF said. And the IMF was clear. So most of contract you have done Mahama and buying best signing, you know, it didn't help us. Yes, send it to the political zone page. There's a political zone. No, and WhatsApp. Mr. Linda, do it WhatsApp. +1 647 559 2317. Into +1. Baby, I will be on +1 647 559 2317. So we are. We'll send him Beba, and then I'll talk to you with that. But hey, on the real. We sit down and we forget the things here. John Dramani Mahama and then Abaye. And we rubbish everything that Akufo-Addo has been able to do so far. Anyways, Makasa almost an hour. May the 30 minutes see run it through the reason why we came here. I want to show this data if it is possible. The patron radio. Ghana, your GDP growth, and then who are dear when I'm say, hey, and why do people vote against NPP? Salinda, why do people vote against NPP? Shadio, a free 1960. Ghana for your dear who share or man who say, yeah, my said the economic, you know, Shadio. Ghana GDP averagely 16.77 USD billion. From 1960, sister, until 2022, reaching an all-time high of 79.16 billion American dollars. This is in 2021, and a record low of 1.22 billion in 1960. Minya, mama maye nye dia ye Ghana no. Na Ghana eye baako pe. Odo NDC pa, mesume do NPP pa. But aban mi no. Why no ba Ghana konenim? Eno ho asem na ye king. Broni bi brofo a wo kan ye was a book no lie. Yes, Ghana. Ye sika ye nya, ye growth a ye nya no, okay? I average 16. Enti ya papa Kufuor when to me am fan ko 20. Utie. Ya papa your friend is saying what averagely no we were hovering around 16.77 USD. I mean billion. Until 2022. A core all-time high of 79.16 billion USD. Now, what I me say? Sa abaini mowe feli. Na dia ni GDP growth kept declining no onumbum ayade. Ghana for mama ye ni na ho. Hwe mama ye ni enda ho. Na dia ye Ghana no won ebire bi beba ye nkoda ye ya wo mo akire se Cynthia omo be broyen enkoda yi betwetwe